Hi, good afternoon, good day everyone. I'm back into my channel now. I have a good job today. It's Yaya's job. This is itong trabaho natin ngayon, guys. Alam nyo, such a long time, long time I didn't do this kind of job. So I have to organize. This is for advertisement. This is for cleaning. It's a window magic glass cleaner, towel, and this one, and of course my thing. Sensya na guys if I'm not good in cleaning, but today I'm going to clean my house for the first time in my life. Ngayon ako magtatrabaho. See my suits for today. I'm home, so I haven't do my exercise today kasi I have to serve my husband before he goes to work. Itong trabaho ni Lola, naglaba na ako guys, nag-breakfast na ako. Yun ang trabaho ni Lola. Now, I'm going to clean. Naglinis na ako kanina sa isang window. I tried kung pwede it works. This one is for magic windows. Guys, linis na ako ngayon. Let's see how it works. Dan. Patignan ko muna kung ano para hindi kayo maboring sa akin. It takes only around 5 to 10 minutes vlog for this one. Now, I'm going to start my... Hello, John Cachero. I am the Yaya for today. See my suit. Wala ang boss ko ngayon, umalis na. So, I can wear. Don't do this at home once your boss is around. Kasi bawal. Ito ang tubig ko. And this is my dry towel. Hi, Dada, Tata. Shout out to all of you. And Joan Cachero, shout out to you, girl. How are you guys? Ito, ay, hindi ko pa nakikita. Hindi nyo pala nakikita tong tubig ko. This is plain water. Yes, the Yaya is working with my window. Look at this. Yan ang pindo ko. Ngayon, halfway of this one, I'm going to do this one. Oh my God. Parang ganitong ginagawa niyo, di ba? Yes! Pure. Good ah. It's ready to go. Medyo nilinisan ko na ng konti, pero mas maganda naman pag magmamagic na lang ako dito, guys. There you go. Ang unahin natin, open this. Maybe open ko na lang kanina para hindi How about the brightness of these things? Yes? Medyo malayo yung building na yun, but it looks very close. There's a park in front of it. Yes. Okay, there you go. There's the Yaya. The Yaya of the day. Yes, I will do. And I'll show you how to clean this one. Ito ang kailangan natin pag naglinis tayo, guys. Spray muna. Spray muna para mapasa, guys. It's raining before this morning. Pero ngayon hindi na. Kaya, para luminis yan, hindi muna natin lilinisin, guys. Mag-exercise muna tayo. Yes, exercise. There you go. And now, I need to start with this. Ano kaya ang unahin ko? Ito ba o yun? Now, this one. I think this one first. Inside first. Ito ba ba? Ay, sa itaas yata. Oh my God! I think sa itaas muna, but because you have to start from top, because once you clean the one on top, mag-dip siya, right? So, it's on top. I'm cleaning like automatic, guys. I'm not good in cleaning, but I'll do these things once and for all. Yeah, see? Don't do this at home. I think, yeah. From the Philippines is not allowed to clean the windows, guys. Ako lang ang pwede. Kasi I have to pay my own bill once. Wow, see, it looks good. Wow, ang ganda, guys. This is only $10. Yes, ang linis. No, I can't believe it. I can do it. Parang hindi naman dumidikit ito. What the heck? Just like it's not that working, but I'll try. One more time. Tan-da-da-dan! God, it's really work. Yeah, it's really working, yeah. It's good. Wow, it's really working. Okay, I'm now from the second one. Inside first. Yeah. And also, maybe I'll do the other one later. Wait, slowly. But as I mentioned, don't do this at work, at home. Lalo na kayo mga auntie. Kasi I think it's not allowed, especially from the Philippines. Kasi hindi na inallowed ng gobyerno na maglinis kayo ng bintana. Pero ako pwede. Kasi kung mamatay na ako dito, okay lang. Diba? Ganun yun. Oh my God, I don't even know if that's the right thing. Yes. Good. One more. Yes, I can do it. One more time there. Parang gusto ko pang ma-spray ka agad. I think it's more better if I spray more. And this one like this. Wow, look at mom. So many things to clean. Guys, I can't believe I can do it. Can I see? I'll show you the outcome. I can't believe I can do it. Wow. I can show you the outcome. Yes, you know what? It's so clean, really. Look at this. Look at that. Ang kintab, guys. Ito ang hindi pa finish on. Dirty siya, di ba? But this is the finished product. Di ba ang linis? I can't believe I can do it. Oh my goodness. Di ba ang saya? Dito na lang sa simento yan. Guys, what can you say about it? I can do also cleaning. Not just because you are resident and you're lazy to do this one. Oh, come on. Don't be lazy, guys. So what if you are residente? Pare-pares din trabaho, guys. You still need to work hard. Yeah, there you go. Diba? Pwede kong gawin to. Sino bang nagpapabart-time? I can do this one also, pero sa shell, mag-practice muna ako kasi. The way I work is 1, 2, 3, guys. Automatic lang ang alam kong trabaho. There you go. See? I'm going to do the last pass here. Hindi pa lang masyado it's not really same. It's not really as dirty as expected, this one. Kasi kung minsan naglilinis din si Del. Hindi na niya matake na lazy ang asawa niya. Yes. Oh my God! I can't believe this is really good. Pero, I'm looking for the longer handle. Kaya lang, we lost one last time during the renovation. That was January. We dropped one. Kaya I don't want to buy the longer one. We dropped one downstairs and it's even we dropped down there in front. Oh my God, the guy came over and checked us. So don't do this at home because once you hit people out there, you're gonna be responsible for paying all the expenses. Kaya, guys, if you avoid dropping some objects from your place going down, you have to be very careful because they came over to check out. My big son, my muscle man, dropped one of those mop down there. Pumunta kaya sila dito. They came over and check who owns the mop there. Ganyan ba paglinis? I think so. Pwede na kaya. Because I'm not the boss. I'm the boss of myself, so I can do anything I want, guys. That's why I want to feel free at the end. Kaya, I'm quitting now. I want to be the boss of myself, guys. Diba? Oh, ang gandang galing, guys. I didn't expect I'm going to clean that way. Look, pero ngayon maglilinis pa ako nito. Wow, I'm sweating already. Hi, Lola Ampi. Where are you now? Where the earth? One word, you are na. Look at this. Naglilinis na si Lola. Oh, this is my clean water na. Oh, sweat na ako. Look at this. Great day, nice view, Madam Nab Nab Nab. Thank you so much. Nice view or nice face. Yun lang yun. Peace be with you and peace to all of you guys. Alam niyo, pinagpapawisan ako. I'm gonna drink water in a minute, but I'm going to do one more time with my first batch. Ang linis na kayo, guys. I don't need to double it. Yeah. Really? Alam niyo, this is really working. This one really works. I tell you that. If you have, if you can see this kind of thing in the shop, you better buy it. Ito lang, kasi I bought the longer one last time. We dropped down there. I keep saying that it's really dangerous because you cannot hold properly. But the longer one is, you can clean right on top and in the middle of this thing, just like this window. I'm going to show you my window that I cannot clean. This one. I cannot clean this kind because it's too deep down from up to down here. So probably I only clean inside. Yes. Now, I keep doing again for one more time. This one, you know the red color there? I keep saying I dry some clothes over there. That's why there's a red stick there. Kasi kung minsan if you... Now, I'm drying some of the clothes na. I think it's almost done. Ay, done na pala. Hindi na ako narinig. Almost done na kasi it's wet day today. It's too boring. So, I do it one more time again for my window. It's done, guys. Pero, parang baka makitamos yung boyfriend kong magsampay dito. This is just during the summer. So, for the second time, it's really good. This one, I tell you. I can't believe I can clean it properly na. Wow! Look at that, so good. Yeah, I think this is really recommendable one. This is really good. Yeah. One more time here in front. Kasi I have a very short hands. I cannot grab that side board. So, the best way. Yeah. Diba? Wow. Diba? Diba ang saya-saya? Yes. Wow, so clean now for the second time. Do this at home, guys. And your boss will be very, but don't clean at the back. Very dangerous, especially if you unbalance yourself. Ako kasi, ginagawa ko lang to for fun na din. And of course, for my vlog. But this is really easy cleaning kasi, I don't know why it's so easy to clean now. And ang dumis. We cleaned this one during our renovation last February. Naglinis kaming lahat dito, even my baby son and my eldest son. Yeah. See? Isa pa, kasi sabon kanina. Wow, so good! I can't believe I can do this one. I can do this one. So, Gingging, where are you? Gingging, I have a part-time lady who always come here before, but since she went back home, wala na. Hindi na siya nagpakita o kaya ayaw yung bayad. Doon na lahat yan. Is miss all. Doon na lahat kaya. Guys. Oh, ganda. Oh, nanilinis na. Ganito pala ang sikreto. Kaya pala. Diba? Diba? Oh, malinis na tong window. Pwede nang halikan, guys. Kung wala tayong hinahalikan, pwede na tayong maghalik dito. Yes. Diba? I can clean it that way. I can clean it that way. Malinis na. And before I forget, hindi yung lang glass ang pupunasan natin. We also clean the legs of this one. Hindi ko alam kung ano. I don't know the name of this one. The handle, especially, is full of bacteria. And also, this one. All you have to clean it all the way down. Kasi hindi lang yung glass ang madumi. Even the handles is more dirty. And also at the back. Kasi pag nasa labas tayo, makikita yung mga handle, ang dumi to do the second part of it. Halay, dada. Yan na ang ginawa ko, guys. Okay? Ito na ang trabaho ng mga retirees, guys. Ito na ang the second batch of my water. Diba? This is for the second batch. Ag ginanaman pa. I do also pahinga, guys. Kasi, parang napagod na ako ng ilang minuto ba akong naglinis. Oh my God. Mahirap palang maging yaya din na naman. I can be a yaya all the time, especially now I'm retirees. I can be the yaya of my kanakan maid or a yaya to be the babysitter, a cleaner, clean the house, clean the toilet. Pwede rin yan. Yes. Let's drink water na para hindi tayo ma-dehydrate, guys. Drink water. A soda water for me so that I'm just avoiding Coke. So, drink for that, guys. Please join me drinking. I think it's merienda time now back in the Philippines, is it? Oh, it's still not. 3:30 is the merienda time in the Philippines. Let's drink. Yun lang nilinisan ko. Pinagpawisan na ako, guys. But I will still do the cardio later. Mag-exercise tayo mamaya. Maglinis lang ako ng bintana and do exercise and rest again. No cooking today. Just let me cook. Just let me rest. Kasi pag nagluluto ako, I still need to eat. So, please let me rest for a while. Pag nagluto ako, I still need to eat. Guys, let's drink. Ang dami kong chit-chat, guys. So many chit-chat. So, I better drink now. Drink tayo, guys. If you're avoiding Coke pala, for your information, if you're avoiding Coke, just drink sparkling water para hindi tayo tataba. Yes, napagod na ang lola. You know what? People think that doing Yaya's job is easy, but I don't think it's easy. I'd rather go to work, chatting with customers, socialize with customers, even they look at us very low, down the earth. It's fine. Kasi working as a yaya is really a hard job, I tell you. So, I have 3 children. Parang hindi ako nanganak kasi from the beginning. I start from the beginning, yes. It's a bit hard, but at the end, I still have someone to take care of you. And thank you to all of you. I don't want to mention those names. Thank you all my titas and my titos who took care of my 3 kids. Kaya ito ngayon, nagyaya na ako. I have to go back from the beginning. Ako na ang yaya from this month. Until then, alam nyo na kasi I really don't need to work. Tapos na tayo sa mga magagandang araw sa work. So, kung meron man, I don't close doors for that. If there is, part-time na lang. Para yung part-time for fun. Hindi your work for fun. Work for fun and part-time for fun is different. Part-time is if you want to go 2 times a week or 1 time a week, it's fine. But working for fun, you still need to wake up early morning, 10 hours a day, 12 hours a day. So it's still different, right? So guys, that's all my experience for today. So hopefully guys, you enjoy watching my vlog for today, cleaning day. And then some more to think by tomorrow. I have 1 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more including the toilet to lilinisan. The room is already cleaned by my own son. They clean their own windows. So yun lang. Okay guys, good afternoon everyone. Thanks for watching again. Love you all. Please don't forget to pray out there, up there, and please love your family and your neighbors at the house. How I love you guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, share, and of course comments also, right? Okay, God bless everyone. Thank you. Cheers.